Hey guys, how you all doing today? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I know I haven't done one of these videos in a while. Certainly haven't done one this year. So I just want to wish you guys a happy new year. I hope you guys are doing amazing. So market review is going to have a bit of a twist in it. So previously what I used to do was that I would just give you guys an analysis of the market based on the perspective of long-term holding. All right. But now, starting from today's episode, I'm going to be taking the perspective of a trader. All right. So for those of you who are interested in trading the market, taking some profit, where to set your stop loss and all that cool stuff, we are going to be covering that in today's episode. So just like we usually do, I'm just going to be focusing on the top 10 cryptocurrencies. And if you guys have any ones you would like me to cover, definitely put them in the comment section down below and let's get started. So starting with the very first one, we're going to be starting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin fell all the way from $48,000 to around $39,000. We got a buy signal right here. I actually missed this buy signal because I was looking for it, but we actually got a buy signal right here. And then we have seen prices begin to go all the way back to previous highs of $48,000. But I am not going to be taking a buy because the market has already gone. The best time to have bought was when it was at $39,000, where we got a buy signal, the market slowed down a little bit, and then we started going up. So right now, all I'm just going to be doing is just, if you didn't buy Bitcoin at $40,000, there's really no need to buy it right now, except if you just want to buy and hold for the long term, because just by doing that, we are still very, very cheap. All right. So right now the market currently sits at $47,000, but I am presently looking for it to get all the way to $51,000, and then I would look for a signal over there, maybe a temporary sell signal, because I would anticipate that the market is going to come down after it gets to $52,000. So I'll be anticipating a sell signal over here in order to sell the market down a little bit to take some profits and potentially look for a buy signal to get back into the market. But for right now, as for Bitcoin, is it a good time to buy? No. If you're a trader, it's not a good time to buy. But if you're a long-term holder, certainly the price is still cheap and we are still halfway from the peak of the last bull cycle, right? So definitely a good time to buy. So I'm just going to be watching the price to see what it does in the coming weeks, and I'll keep you guys updated on that. So the next one we're going to take a look at is Ethereum. This is also another one that has also moved away from us in terms of price. So the best time to have bought Ethereum was around January 24th, 25th. That would have been the best time to buy it because the market was actually retesting support, and then you can see we've bounced up from there. And if you bought the market at the time when we had the buy signal and then rode it all the way to present price, you currently be, this is about a 10% move. So, and we still have a ways to go. All right. So this would have been the best spot to buy Ethereum. But right now for Ethereum, the market is still, the price is still going up, and I am looking for what happens when we get to the 2650 area. So once we get to 2650 thereabout, I'll be looking for if there's going to be a sell signal, a temporary sell signal where I can just quickly sell the market, make some money, and then anticipate it to go back up again. So right now for Ethereum, there's really nothing much to do. If you're a trader, you just have to like chill and then wait for the market to get to the 2650 area before you do anything. And for those who actually caught the market earlier on, 2650 is the perfect place for you to take some profit. All right. For those of you who don't understand what I'm saying, don't worry. I have a course coming out very soon for you guys to perfectly understand how to trade the market using levels. Okay. All right. So Cardano, this is one that I definitely caught, and I definitely bought the market when the signal occurred, and that happened around this spot right here. I was able to buy the market on this candlestick on Friday, January 26th. And right now, as you can see, I'm currently in profit. I would say the market is up about, let's just say 10%, give or take. So I'm definitely in profit right now. I was able to buy the market right here when it got to around 45 cents. I got a buy signal, bought the market, and you can see the market has started going up right now. So we're currently sitting around 53 cents, but I'm not taking profit until it gets to 66 cents. All right. So let's just say I bought the market right here. Okay. And I am riding it all the way to this place. So it's going to be about a 36% move. So roughly I'm going to be making about a 36% return on my money. So right now there are two levels to really look at, which is 59 cents, which is around 60 cents, and 66 cents. I personally am going to be taking my profit at 66 cents, but I see that there's actually also another strong level at 59 cents. So at 59 cents, I'm going to be looking for what the market does, if there's a slowdown in price or if there's anything that is just hampering price a little bit. And then maybe I would shift my stop loss to break even, or I'll probably get out of the market depending on what I see. But I am looking for the market to get to 66 cents and then take some profit, or take my profit over there. All right, so let's take a look at Binance Coin. This is one that I certainly didn't take. In fact, I didn't even really see any significant buy signal for this one. The market has just been oscillating between $331 and $280, give or take, right? So I didn't really take this one, but let's just see what happens when the market gets to $333 again. We could see if there's going to be another sell signal, because you can see when the market got here, it sold down a little bit, it came down and has not visited $333 since then. So for me personally, what I'm going to be looking for is, am I going to see a sell signal when we get to $333, right? Or is the market going to break through that level and head all the way to $358? What I am looking for Binance Coin right now is basically where to sell the market. All right, am I going to be selling it at $333, or am I going to be selling it at $358? All right, that's just what I'm looking for right now before I start thinking of buying the market. All right, because here's the thing, the market is already off from the low already. If you were supposed to buy the market, this was pretty much where you're supposed to have bought the market. And right now the market is approaching a resistance of $333, right? Now when the market approaches a level like this, I am probably looking for where to sell the market. All right, because I'm probably looking for a sell signal. So maybe it's going to probably go back down a little bit before we break $333 and head higher. But if the market doesn't give me a sell signal, basically I don't see where to sell the market and make some profit. All I'm just going to do is wait for it to break $333, head all the way to $358. Then I'm going to be looking for a sell signal over there. Now, when I look for a sell signal over here and I get it, I'm going to sell it back down to $333, make some money. So there's nothing right now for BNB. I'm just going to skip it right now. There's nothing happening in this market. So basically, guys, that's it for today's episode. I know that we didn't have any signal today to buy the market or get into the market. If you didn't get into the market about 2 weeks ago, then there's no need actually getting into the market right now, because the market has already moved away from us. But this was just an introductory video to let you guys know that this is the kind of videos that we're going to be covering now. When it comes to market reviews, I'm going to be talking to you guys or covering it from the perspective of a trader. And those of you who are interested in trading the market, definitely not financial advice, but you could see what I am doing and what my thoughts are and act accordingly. All right. And also too, trading cryptocurrencies, you have to use exchanges like Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, all that stuff, right? But if you're interested in not just only trading cryptocurrencies, but you'd also like to trade Forex and all that, you definitely can't use Binance to trade it. You have to use another platform. All right, and the platform you have to use is an MT4 platform or an MT5 platform. So if you're interested in trading Forex, stocks and the likes, then you will need to learn how to navigate the MT4 platform. You will need to learn how to use the MT4 platform, and for that I have a course in the description below where you can purchase it, and within a couple of hours you will know how to use the MetaTrader 4 platform. And from there, once my other courses are ready, you'll be able to also know how to trade, and I'll let you guys know about the strategies I use and all that stuff, right? But first of all, you need to know how to use the platform in the first place, because for a newbie it's going to be extremely overwhelming. But in my course, I made it as straightforward as possible, and I covered every single thing that you need to know as a newbie using those platforms. All right, I would encourage those of you who are interested in that to check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Cheers, guys.